Hey guys, it's Miss D. I'm back at you. Coming to you guys with a video about breastfeeding of all things. Yes, breastfeeding. So for those of you who do not know, I am 7 months pregnant. Lot. So excuse the hair, but it's been a very long day. But I really wanted to address some things because I'm in this parenting group on Facebook, and I see some things that kind of trigger me there. Um Not only is it, just giving unprofessional advice, people that think that they are doctors or nurses and they're giving advice and things that, the mom just really need to be asking a physician about or a medical professional about. But breastfeeding is one of the things that come to my mind. I just saw something. Girl posted, she's first time mom. She wants to breastfeed, but she's so scared about, her family says it hurts. First of all, we all know breastfeeding should not hurt. If it hurts, something's wrong. The latch is wrong. Something is wrong about what's going on. So we need to figure out what it is. Um, and then she shows a picture of nipple shields. I have no problem with nipple shields at all. However, nipple shields should be worn if you have inverted nipples, if you're having a hard time with getting the baby to latch, and that's after trying multiple ways. And if the baby latches on well with the nipple shield, that's fine. If there's a tongue tie or certain issues where nipple shields are required, yes. Should we start out with nipple shields? Absolutely not. Like, what are we doing? Where this is normal behavior, where we're going shopping for nipple shields, first off, like, I don't get this. So, nipple shields should not be the first thing that is on your list. If you know that you have inverted nipples, yes, you should have nipple shields. If you know that you're having a child that has Down syndrome or something like that, yes, you should get nipple shields. Not saying that they're going to be needed, but you should get them. However, making this a normal practice, because you could go pick it up at Walmart or whatever if you feel like you need them, or if you have a sit down with a lactation consultant like myself, and you know they tell you that, yeah, you may need nipple shields. Go to Walmart, easy peasy, pick them up. Order them on Amazon, they'll be there in a day or two. Please, let's normalize this not being a thing. Y'all, sorry, my husband is so loud. But let's normalize this not being a thing to just go pick up nipple shields. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? I'm trying to really figure this out. Like, seriously, what are we doing? So, for me, I would really say that um, we need to step back, talk to someone who's a professional. The mom groups are great for what they are. They're moms who've experienced these things. But if you use a nipple shield and that's what your baby knows, that's what your baby's going to know. The getting latched onto your nipple without the nipple shield is going to be 10 times harder. So, what do you do if you're in a pinch that you don't have that nipple shield? And you're like, okay, well, the baby latches on well anyway, so I'm not going to use it. It's that much harder. So let's just normalize putting those away for emergency cases if and when there's issues and we need them. We don't always need them, y'all. Like, for real, for real. Um, I am going to be coming to you guys more often. Sorry about the delay from my first video to this one. and this is probably gonna be um, definitely gonna be breastfeeding and parenting, because once I did my first video, I actually found out that I was pregnant, and yeah, it's been a very, very, very rough pregnancy for me. I did not want to do my page until I knew that I was capable of continuing on. I did have some issues with placenta previa at the beginning and towards the middle of my second trimester. So I just reached my third trimester a few days ago, and I'm happy that we got here. I'm happy that we got here safely. Um, Along with being a lactation consultant, I am a mom, a wife. I have other medical issues that I will get into later, because I definitely want to put those videos up on here as well, talking about the life of what it is dealing with endometriosis and PCOS, and uh, pregnancy with that as well. So um, I cannot wait to really get this page off the ground. Sorry about my hair. It has been a rough, rough day, and I was supposed to take these out today. And they're braids, if you guys can't tell. Braid up into a ponytail. But, anyways, I am out of here. Um, Please like, comment, subscribe, and hey, hit me down below if you guys have any comments, if you have any questions, video suggestions. Let me know. All right, guys. Till next time. Peace out.